Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in World of Warships game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is steps to fix sound problem in World of Warships. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down, then click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and select off option and then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones and then hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game World of Warships and check sound or audio issue is fixed or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the World of Warships game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Also make sure that the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then try using speakers and see if that fixes the issue or not. Fix 3. Step to fix audio problem in World of Warships if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and then select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Then right click on your headphones and select properties. Then go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. And then click on apply and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5. Disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by the additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller, mouse, keyboard, etc. And then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix sound or audio issues in World of Warships game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.